Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. They actually want to make it and then uh, print it out as a sticker. Pretty cute idea. You can see it's a bitmap. So I just brought in a red heart about the same size. I didn't try to match the font. The main thing when you're doing this is to make a duplicate of this and left click, right click. Because when we contour, we don't want any color. I'm going to go to, first of all, I'm going to go to Object and group this two together. Then I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour the outside. Let's go 0.5. Now that's pretty big. But just stay with me here for a second. I'm going to go up to Object and break the contour apart. And then I'm going to take the contour, I'm going to contour the inside, let's say 0.3. And then that way I get that almost the exact same thing. Now, one thing you have to be really, really careful of, and let's say they want to use these colors, that I draw in hairline. And so we can't cut these other lines out of hairline. So I'm going to go up to Object and break. You've got to select it all sometime. Select all of them apart. And then I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to hit the plus key and put it back. And I'm going to make this one red. Okay. Now, after we fill these in, and I'm going to use the same colors, then we'll take away the lineage and we'll only have a cut line around it. Hope that makes sense. So I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to get my eyedropper and I'm going to get that shade of pink and put it right there and inside. Then I'm going to get my eyedropper, get this shade of red, which is just red looking. But then I'm going to get the eyedropper and take a sample of that. Now here, okay, I need to go back to the red. I forgot about the text. Well, let's just make sure it's that same red. Now here's the key thing. If we select it all, well, there are hairlines in here, several lines. Take away the lines, have none. That way, and then I'd go ahead and group this together. Then that way, when you cut this out, only the outside line will cut out. Now, if you want a little bit of fudge room on that, you could take that contour and contour the outside like 0.01. Wow, that's so little you don't even see it. See that? So that's going to give you a little bit of fudge room on the sticker. And let's say the stickers are white, that would show up. You can actually cut it right on the sticker, but I don't know anything about making stickers. But anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.